is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and this is Make and Take Tuesday. Today I'm taking a break from my Christmas creations to share with you a brand new collection from Photoplay Paper. This is called DIY Home Edition. If you're looking for a great masculine collection, this is it. And let's face it, masculine collections are hard to find. I have the 12 by 12 papers here, and I'm just going to show you the different designs. You've got this great measuring tape. I have so many ideas for things we can do with that. A grid paper on the back. A really fantastic like flannel plaid with bricks on the back. Then there's this paint cans and paint brushes with this teal. I love the teal. And this wood grain on the back. Then a wonderful sheet of border images and a wonderful diagonal stripe on the back of that. Then tools, so fun, really great. I love the colors in this collection too. And then nuts and bolts on the back. And then our sentiments page, our images page with 4x6s and 3x4s. And then on the back of that, this great blueprint paper. And then here's a look at the sticker sheet. And you get 2 of these sheets in each package. There's also a really great ephemera pack. I love ephemera, and it adds so much to a project. You know, I use it all the time. And these are colorful and great. Here's a look at all the different ones that are on here. Really good sentiments, little circle images, tags, banners, just great little additions. So that's the ephemera pack. The other thing that is brand new, and I'm super excited about this, is they've come out with an easel card DIY. There are 6 easel cards in each package. I've got the black, but I think they also come in white, and they might come in craft. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. They are pre-scored, and then you've got your little easel piece here so that it's easy for you to make an easel card. So those would be handy to have on hand. However, because you know me, my brain works differently than just about everybody. So I took 2 of these and I folded along the easel line, but I folded opposite. You know, if you're making an easel card, you would fold it this way, right? I folded it the opposite way, and look what we can do. We can overlap these and make a double gatefold card so quick and easy. And we can even add a hidden pocket. So let me show you how to do this. I've prepared a couple of little things. I just took some scraps of my designer paper, and we're going to do, guess what we're going to do? We're going to do gussets. Are you surprised? It's like my favorite thing. If you're new to my channel, a gusset is just a folded piece of paper. I like to go about 1 inch wide, and you cut it to the height of your paper. So I'm going to make this the back side of my hidden pocket. And hold on, let me get this lined up here. Just like that. And you line it up. You want it right up to the edge, but not over the edge. And you want it at the top. So I've got one for that side. I've got one for the bottom. And basically on the bottom, we just need something that will keep things from falling out the bottom. That's not a big deal. And then I've got one prepared for the other side. So the folded edge of your gusset goes against the outside edge of your paper panel. In this case, it's going along this fold. So you want to make sure that you're not over that fold. All right. So now we look like this. Now I'm going to place my adhesive along the top of these little hinges. I'm going to bring in my other easel card, and I'm going to lay it over my hinges. Line it up. And look what we've got. How easy is that? Like, is that cool or what? So now we've got this great double gatefold with a pocket. So for the front of the gatefold, I took one of these easels. It's, you know, meant to sit like that, and I just cut it in half. And this is going to be the front of our gatefold card. So let's start on the inside of our card. And I have cut a panel of our border paper to 5 1/4 by, well, I just cut these 3 together. So whatever that measures, it's like 2 5/8. And we're just going to glue these down. I can't decide if I want to do these or if I want to do that great diagonal stripe. I love the diagonal stripe. So let's do the diagonal stripe. This collection came at just the right time because it's our soon-to-be son-in-law's birthday this week. This way I can make him a really cute gift card holder. So now I want to make a gift card pocket, and from the other side of this diagonal stripe, I cut out this great border piece that is 6 1/4, and I think I went 3 inches, yes. And I left the branding strip on because you fold this and it becomes the bottom pocket flap. So I've scored 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. I'm going to come in with my scissors and I'm going to trim out the corners so that they'll fold neat and square. Just fold these back. Place adhesive on the flaps. And then this is going to line up. Right here, and then this becomes a great gift card pocket. So for these side panels, I've cut the brick pattern, and these are cut to just over 2 1/2 by 4, and these are going to go on either side. Okay, now we need to cover these on the front, and these are the same, only we're going to use the plaid. So just over 2 1/2 by 4. Oops. All right, so now we've got this. Fun. I love it. So now we want to put together the front of our card. And I got this, the half of our easel from the card kit. And this is 4 1/4 by, I guess it's almost 3. And then I've matted it with a 4 1/8 by 2 7/8 inch piece of this wood grain. And then I cut another little panel of our paint paper and matted it on this black that is 3 7/8 by 2 5/8, and then I went 3 5/8 by 2 3/8. This is going to glue in the center of this panel. Just like that. Then go into your sticker sheet and find this great brick wall sticker. Put it down like this. And then I found, also from the sticker sheet, well, first I want to put this piece down. This is an old Tim Holtz ruler that I found in my stash. And I'm going to put score tape right along here. And then I'm going to take, because I really want this to stick, and it's heavy, so I'm a little worried about it not maybe sticking the way it should. So along the bottom of it, I'm going to take 1/8 inch foam adhesive and put that down. So now we're good and sticky. And I'm going to take my ruler, my metal ruler, and I'm going to center it up. Okay, it's a little off center, but I actually kind of like that. And then I'm going to take Relax I Can Fix It and stick that down in there. That is so hilarious. And then I'm going to take our house with all the tools coming out of it. And I just matted these on black paper. And then this panel is going to glue on just the left-hand side of your gate. You don't want to glue onto the right-hand side of your gate, because if you do, you can't open it. All right, so just, and I do love plaid paper because it helps me get things straight. All right. Look how neat that looks, guys. And then it opens like this. That is fun. That is really fun. And the weight of that ruler helps hold everything in place. So here, I'm going to put this sticker with the paint and a paint can and a paintbrush. Okay. Over here, I'm going to put Charming and Capable. And over here, I'm going to put, make sure I'm about equal distance, Handsome and Handy. So let's make sure this works. Yep, okay, that's cool. Let's put our tool belt here. Isn't this cute? Let's take this little sticker. This is, I'd fix that. And add the pencil. So cute. Okay, so I think that's good for dressing up. The card is a guide card, so we like to keep them a little simpler. Okay, guys, I just want to show you how I fixed up the inside of this little card. I used a bunch of my stickers to make it look really cute. And then here's our little pull-out page. I've got the tool for that. These are all stickers and ephemera bits. Room in here to write a note. So cute. And then in our pocket, Plain and Simple, You Rock. So I'm going to put a gift card in here, and then this little tag that says I have enough tools, said no man ever. So probably get him a gift card to Northern Tool and Supply or Home Depot or something like that, because he is a maker and he's very creative. So we're excited to have him joining our family. So this goes in our pocket, and our wings fold in like this. Here's our ruler on the front, and then I'm just going to finish it off. He has a red ball cap that he wears, and I found this ball cap in my thing of man charms. It's just a little, put this right here. And then I found this little hammer, and we're going to put this right here. And then I thought gears would be a fun thing to add to this, so I'm just going to place them. You cannot use, if you didn't know this, you cannot use hot glue with metal. It won't hold. There we go. Oops. So this will just have to set up for a little bit, but it will eventually get glued down. And then that finishes this up. So kind of fun to throw in a not Christmas card during the Christmas season. People do have birthdays all year round. And I thought you might like to see this cute new masculine collection from Photoplay and learn how to use their easel card base in a really fun, different way. Thanks for joining me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. And I'm going to clean up my mess and go get my craft on. Bye.